Save 15% on your second cart item, 25% on the third, plus free shipping. The discount applies to the cheapest item. Only new orders with no quote required. Shop now. Custom packaging your customers will love. Sustainability. Be part of the solution. Responsible sourcing. Know what you're getting and where it comes from with our vetted supplier network. Read more. Reforestation. With over 35,000 trees replanted thanks to our partnership with One Tree Planted, you can easily support reforestation. Read more. Decarbonization. Get a clear and accurate idea of your packaging's carbon footprint throughout its life cycle. The Packhelp difference. Not your average custom packaging company. Take full control of your packaging supply chain with a single end-to-end supplier. From small test orders to high-volume wholesale orders, we cater to needs, values and specifications. Use our online creator and bring your custom packaging idea to life in minutes. Get an instant quote on even the most complicated packaging projects. Get from idea to finished design quickly, with professionally made and editable templates. Get your custom packaging when you need it, with delivery in as little as 7 days for some products. Split your costs up over multiple interest-free payments to keep cash flowing through your business. Take full control of your packaging supply chain with a single end-to-end supplier. From small test orders to high-volume wholesale orders, we cater to needs, values and specifications. Use our online creator and bring your custom packaging idea to life in minutes. Get an instant quote on even the most complicated packaging projects. Get from idea to finished design quickly, with professionally made and editable templates. Get your custom packaging when you need it, with delivery in as little as 7 days for some products. Split your costs up over multiple interest-free payments to keep cash flowing through your business. Services. Meet your custom packaging experts. Value engineering. Our packaging experts can design a solution from scratch around your product, maximizing value and optimizing costs at every opportunity. Sustainability consulting. Meet increasingly strict packaging regulations and build a more conscious brand with the guidance of our sustainability experts. Storage and warehousing. Lock in lower prices with a high-volume order and we'll store your excess packaging in our warehouses until you need it. Packaging prototyping. Get peace of mind with a series of fully designed and tested packaging prototypes before scaling up production. Cost optimization. Our experts will lower the ongoing cost of your custom packaging by finding cost-effective manufacturers, efficient materials and fine-tuning your existing supply chain. Supplier vetting. Our in-depth vetting process means you only work with a vetted packaging manufacturer that meets your own environmental, ethical and quality standards. Automated sourcing. Automate the reordering process, and have your custom packaging delivered as soon as you hit certain stock levels. Order financing. Interest-free payment and other order financing means you can get the packaging you need at a great price, and spread payments out over time. Stock management. Get an extra set of hands in your warehouse. Have our experts manage your packaging and you'll always have the optimum amount of packaging ready to go. Supply chain analysis. Analyze and improve your current supply chain in all areas to create a more robust and versatile procurement network. Packaging engineering. Design. We give you proposition of 3 new concepts of your packaging with 3D mock-up and/or physical prototype. Packaging quality management. We provide you with clear quality standards to guide packing processes in your logistics or fulfillment center and enable quality checks. Testimonials. Hear it straight from brands like yours. We decided to partner with Packhelp thanks to the fast and flexible solution to our branded boxes for shipping our products. There is a lot of transparency and communication at all times. Packhelp has given us the possibility to develop a box that matches our product, and at a more than reasonable price. Our usual vendors weren't proactive in making changes, and Packhelp was the quickest to respond to our needs. We also appreciate the attention and care of their sales team. Packhelp has supported our growth with bespoke packaging solutions and exceptional customer service. Highly recommended. Labree's Hope experience of Packhelp was great. The team is always on hand to respond to queries very quickly, and their service is so positive and friendly. Their two-piece product boxes are also incredible. Before we found Packhelp, our first experiences with packaging producers were rather unsatisfying. Initially we considered buying customized packaging with a die line. However, the costs were too big for the company launch. It would really negatively affect our development in other areas of the business. Our expert team is on hand to help you unlock branded packaging that does no harm to the planet. Dedicated account managers who help you from start to finish and beyond. Find a better price and we'll beat it by up to 20%.